Hi, this is Greg Green, and what I'd like to do is take you through how to use Jing now that you've downloaded it. Well, you want to open up the application or the program, and once you do that, Jing will now sit on the edge of your computer screen, and you can see when I run my mouse along the edge of the computer screen, you can see that Jing appears, and so Jing is a half the sun that will just simply sit, and it's rather transparent, so you have to kind of look for it. But what you want to do is you want to find Jing and then just mouse over it. Once you mouse over it, you'll find three options. You can capture, you can have a history of your captures, and also the settings. Now, we're just going to simply capture. So what you're going to do is you're simply select capture, which is the button that it has a T on it, or a crosshair, as we call it. Now, once I have that, now what I do is I simply hold down my left click button, and I start in the upper left hand corner and drag, by holding it down, drag the mouse to the opposite corner. Now, one of the things that I like to do is I like to leave space at the bottom a little bit, because what often happens is that with Jing you'll have a toolbar, and you can see that that toolbar appeared once I released the left click button. Now, once I do that, I can either capture an image, which what that does is takes a picture of your computer screen. I can actually capture a video, which means that whatever movement I do on the screen, if I search the net, if I want to highlight a PowerPoint or go through a PowerPoint and do a voiceover, I can. I can even redo the selection and delete it. So, Jing has some pretty easy options for most people. So let's capture an image. Now, once I capture that image, if you notice, it took a picture of my computer screen. Now, what I can do from here is now I can manipulate it. If I want to put an arrow within that picture, I can. Even if I want to change the color of the arrow, I can, because this is the color symbol down here. So if I want to go to blue, let's say, and I want to do a blue arrow, see how easy that is. Now, I also can take that out by selecting this undo button down below. And I can take out both. Now, if I want to put some text in that picture, I simply can put some text. There it is. Simple as that. If I want to undo it, I just hit the undo button. If I want to just get rid of the white square, I do that. Now, if I want to highlight a certain area of the screen, let's say I want to highlight ScreenFlow for whatever reason, I can do that, and then I can change the color below. So, and I can also put a box. So if you want to highlight a portion of the page, maybe I want to have an arrow pointing to it so people take notice, I can do that. So this is a great image capture program. Now, what you need to be able to share that image. So what you need to do is you need to, just similar to like in Flickr and some of these Picasa and some of these other ones, Jing allows you to share it to a video sharing site, which allows you to share it with others. And so we have a program attached to Jing called Screencast. And Screencast allows you to share videos and images with others. So once you have a Jing account, what you're going to be doing is you want to create a Screencast account as well, so you can share the information. So what I can do is there's three arrows. That's a sharing button, and I simply just upload it to screencast.com. Now, once it's finished uploading, what you'll find is that there is a link that I can paste. So it says view on screencast.com, and what happens is that image now, here's the link up here. I just simply highlight it, copy it, and then I'm going to, when I get to my blog or share with my students, maybe I want to send it out on Reminder 101 to say, hey, give me a description of this picture. What do you think about this? Or what does it make you think about? And what have you, and you want a discussion for class the next day, this allows you to do that. So you just simply copy and paste that link there that I've highlighted, and then just simply copy and paste it into your blog or in your My 101 account. All right. So this is how you copy an image in Jing. In our next video, we're going to go through how to make a video. Thank you.